If you notice that you've made a few mistakes over several rows, as illustrated by these dark blue stitches, you can pull out several rows at a time and then gently scoop the stitches back onto your needle again. So slide your needle out of your stitches and you're going to pull back your knitting until the last row where you have the last mistake. We're going to leave that blue stitch, the one furthest down the knitting, in. So keep going until you've pulled out all your mistakes, apart from the very last row. Take that little mistake out. And we're going to leave that one in there. And then we're going to take the needle and we're going to insert the needle back into the row beneath the row where there's that mistake. So we go into that one and pull it out, into that one, pull that one out, into the next one and pull it out, all the way along. Pull out the little mistake. Scoop that stitch up into that one. And if you wanted to, you could start inserting the other needle into this side so that you can resume knitting in the middle of the row. Sometimes you're as well just to complete that row like this and start afresh. And if you always make sure that you go into the front of that stitch, you can be sure that none of your stitches will be twisted and they'll be looking nice on your needle for the next row. Get the last one. Last one's sometimes a little tricky. We can just re-knit that stitch. Pull it through cleanly, pop it onto the needle, and you're ready to knit the next row.